Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Monica Lopolobo, aka Shine Your Shine. Hope everyone is shining their shine there. You have to shine your shine. If you don't shine your shine, nobody will shine out for you. Yes, so thank you, my lovely people. This is my MA reality TV for YouTube. I beg make una subscribe to this YouTube channel because now all the small zolo for the comment. This evening I want to talk about how my husband do me for the first time when we meet. Oh my God. Just keep watching, no. Even the video of it, because that day can't be like say we just dey crazy, you know, those telephone way that they see that time now. So we can't use and take video ourselves. Since then the video I hold on, but today I will show am for una. So me and they talk the thing they go, I will show am for screen on top of there now. Okay, now the video they play so on top of this place. You see the way he take the first touch me, now the way we take start be that. Now he first touch me before me come the alarm, come the touch like that as you dey see. So what me want talk this evening be say for social media now people come they talk say if they circumcise you, you know they enjoy, you know that kind of thing now. What you want give an name so? I hear one of our sisters they call her Agbon time and Agbon long life, long life and short life. Okay, now we go talk am tonight. So he said they circumcise you, you know they enjoy long life and short life when they come together again. You understand? That to me they always hear. And I thank God say I asked my mother when they alive, say my mother, oh, they no circumcise me. She can't say yes, they circumcise me, because that time my father get this one woman like that for our area. Now she circumcised almost all the children for our area that time. No one mention her name. Everybody go know her. If you grow up for Selu, Evaeke, all these other places, now that woman. Now the only Rosie Abi, I don't know what they call them again. I don't forget all this our area. You understand? So all those Osakmama, then the other side, after Evaeke secondary school, when you they go the other side, we go come out for now only Rosie Road, no, only Rosary Road, the technical side. Get one nursery school way popular for that side. When you want come out for Testament Road, then this thing still dey mill. This company where they grind, where they do oil. I don't forget that road, but I know that time say after Evaeke secondary school, the people where they go this side like that, the place they there. You know, all those places, now this woman, I circumcise all the people. So when me come ask my mother, say, my mother, I circumcise. My mother say, yes, so they circumcise all my children. You know the reason why me ask that time? Because now this type of arguments, now still make me go ask. You understand? So, people go they talk, say, if they circumcise you, you know they enjoy long life and short life again. You know they enjoy long life and short. Me go they imagine if they not circumcise me and me still they enjoy long life and short life. If they can't, I wish they not can circumcise me. Now be say I for just die. Should be I for die for inside the thing. Eh? I don't understand though. How okay? If you constantly talk like this now, some people can talk say, now so maybe they not circumcise you finish. Maybe they circumcise you half. Maybe some people, oh, they just clear everything. They just clear everything. They just clear everything. Now so when me, they go see some kind of thing like that. He get one of my girlfriend that time, long time ago, when nobody don't marry, we never even mature. Now, so this my girlfriend go just they do anyhow. Any man where you come, kpakpa. If you say, why you don't leave this man, go say, the cassava not big. Why you don't leave this one? He not sabi make love. Why you don't leave this one? He not sabi kiss. Why you don't leave this one? He not get big, long life. I said, what is wrong with you? He said, yes, so because they circumcise and they color everything finish for inside his short life. That's why they get the kind of person where the female can come and hunt. Then me come they very curious, you know. Me come say, but they circumcise me. The thing not they do me like that. When they say they do now come they put on top of circumcision. Then he say maybe they not palo your own finish. Say their own, so they scrape and finish. So now me come tell and say me and see. Now I tell and say me and see. You understand? So that's why me one show now tonight. How me and my husband, I they do me for the first time. When me come choose and say yes, this one sabi do woman with the circumcised way. You understand? I'll press on for this screen just now. Oh yeah. You see, you see the way my husband take they do to vagami. You never say, okay, wash and forward. You understand? So let me come tell this lady, say, oh yeah, me want see how they take the palo people finish, how they take cut the teeth finish. So now such way she can open her leg go. Let me come see. But I say, I really see, say, it they different, which is normal. Long, short life, they always different though. Men, as soon as see we women, so our short life, it they different. Where our bellies they different, not be the same thing at all. Now different shape. In short, I don't know why bellies they always get different look. Now different look, oh. I know so now can't say, Monica, how you just see all this different look? I know be baby, don't do for them. You understand me? So oh yeah, look the time when my husband they do me for back. You see so even when they do me for back, I still like the thing. You not see you not see say the screenshot just now. Okay. So, you understand? So the woman I can't see us okay, I own different. I can't say where you feel say they overcut, where they make you know they feel enjoy this long life and short life coming together. He say the clito where they say the thing you know the sharp. Say it made it is small. You understand? So now say but when we can't go far, we go check some Oyibo. We can't start to the check Oyibo. All the Oyibo can the open leg. We can't do and you understand? We can't carry torchlight. We can't do them. We can't still find out say some Oyibo they not circumcise them, but they just still get small clito. You understand? So my lovely people, I know say if they cut, it must definitely have a way of affecting you. But trust me, you also need to change the way you take they have this cis. You know what I mean? When short life and long life come together, cis. You need to know how to position yourself, give yourself in for it. If I tell you, say, until today, many of our women, see the way I tell you open up for my husband, and me I still press the video. May you foresee. You see the way I tell you open the leg for my husband. You see, many women don't even know how to give back. Okay, me I forward them to the place where I can't they give them back. You they see now. You see the way I they return my waist for her. In the do me they return my waist. Me they return my waist. You open leg. Many of our women, do you know they don't born 5 children, 4 children. They still they cover leg for husband. They not sabi give her out. To open her, make her yagbada, use hand, open her, join her. They choke yourself, they push her from down, they give your husband like this. No, if you put our women for bed, they could come me look like they not sabi anything. Make their husband for not to say they too spoil. They'll come by saying they can circumcise me. Woman where they circumcise, it not they too sweet. My people now lie, they circumcise me too. You understand? Some of our women, they do flirty up and down. They will say because they circumcise the one man, not they reach them. That's why they go look for another one where go fit put them for. Na lie. Na lie. Me and even they talk, I'll say, we where they circumcise, I believe say now we supposed to they enjoy, but I know say majority say no, you know they enjoy. But black women, please, I want to tell you now, this enjoyment to enjoy sex. If you they look this my screen now, you go they see the way they give body. Me I press and medicine they walk as I they talk. Okay, you see the way they give in body to my husband. When you want start love making, you understand? Always introduce things where you know say you they like. As you see my body and every women body, so we get the place where we they like for sex where they start from. But some women refuse to mature, to be open and accept it. You understand? Until today, if you ask some women, what did they really ginger you? No. Only when you don't touch it, this thing they do and they do and they do. No, not be there before you need to charge. No be only when they don't start to they dig you before you need to charge. You know, you they see the way me and my husband take charge now. You know, you start the sex. If you know, say this, I don't talk about it. If you know, say now from maths, no man, it's good to start with mouth. Some go say their husband not they brush teeth. If they smell, you go say make it go brush them so that make you forfeit a give and wear because you yourself need to enjoy them. Make una stop to they give men una body without una not they enjoy them. Make it go wash them. As you wash and come by, you start with mouth. Then you give her this one, make carry. You if you not carry and wear. You go carry a hand, give her. Say make it rub and wear. Say make it press and wear for you. Say make it do. You understand? You go they give her. When you just they watch the screen. See as the way where they give my me and press and don't they play. You see the way they give my husband body there. See and we don't keep spinning with they give body now. And they tell her. All my back go scratch and go reach now. He go bring a come here again. Later go come pull mat for this thing. That time, no one understand. Some women too they lie down. They do this S where they talk so lie down. Baby go. If you too they do baby go every now and then, your clito akpi it go come die. You know the year what they get because you know the ginger the swagger. To ginger the swagger, you must make sure say water they come. You must do things where go make water fair they come before you they boot cassava. Say you know they even let water they generate. Water no they come out. Even if you don't do like bueho, at least make it they pump water come out for a side ground. You know when bueho one start to they pump water come out for a side ground, go fair they make. Let your clito they bring that kind of water by itself. By when your husband go they suck your bread like baby. So make go just pull mouth for bread like adult. No. Tell your husband make it allow your breast. Make it do one like baby. You know the way where baby take they draw that nipple. Like say me come out for inside. Make it draw you like that if you not go here and for inside that you akpi. See akpi na vein where God connect from akpi to brain. Akpi na clito. The clito is connected to brain. You dey hear me so? The moment and it's connected to breast also. The moment your husband start to dey do one like baby, the way baby take they do also. The ego send connection message to your brain and it go send and to that your acne where you say the caloso. That your clitoris where you say they don't cut it finish. The main root in this body. Before you know, now so the thing go they make boom. It don't they send water. Make it not stop. Make it continue like that. They make it come use that one, take carry you, yagbada, for inside bed like that. Make it come carry one of your leg, go up, no matter how you fat rich or you bonga rich. Make it just stand for side of the bed. Make it from there, they lolo you from that kind side corner like this. Lolo. Why the thing not go hear word? If not those where they say na licky, make it just go down there. Aya. Or make it carry hand, go for where that small place where the cut remain. So make it the massage and the rub and crack like that. You go see, say the thing go make later. You go come see the men, una go notice the women go come they do like the night be say the generator don't on. It go come they make now that time you go see the woman leg. If they do like this, they do like this. That time you go come press the thing. You come press the thing. Enter. Go make fioko. You understand? So I beg. I don't want to hear that kind of thing. If you know, say you they follow me for any of my channel, any of my platform. I get Monica Ambrew family channel. You feel follow me for there. You go to hear many things about me and my husband and my children. Or you feel follow me for year where I did so. Not to subscribe is free of charge. Or you feel go follow me for my Monica Lobolobo channel, Monica Lobolobo TV, also for YouTube, where I dey talk about eye-opening messages. How you want to better for this, how you want to save money, how you want to get your anything where your heart desire. Yes, it's possible. Now that my channel will tell you anything you dream about yourself is possible. Nothing is impossible. You don't need to go the do as girl for Iboas or go the lick old man cassava because of weight. You can have it yourself. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep watching. And you will see that your life will never be the same again. You can also follow me on my Facebook platform, Big Man Wife Beauty Clinic or Big Man Wife TV. Okay? For almost everyday entertainment on that channel. You can way to support me on my Big Man Wife TV. You can subscribe to my channel in a way of supporting me once in a month. The subscription is €10.99. You can decide to put yourself every month. You can automatic support, and you can decide to also give it to me anytime you want it. You can do this month and say you don't want to do next month. It's not a problem. But if you still feel that I deserve it, as you keep supporting me, may God Almighty bless you, support you, and return it back to you in 1,000-fold. Please, my lovely ladies, my advice in this whole video is that no dey let only your man do the work. Otherwise, he go enjoy you comot. He go come give excuse say because they cut you. No, they cut me also. But I not sure say people wey they not cut enjoy and reach me. You know why? Me and they give you. You see as my husband they do me just now. I think they romance me, they touch me here, they do mat. You know one common mat for mat. You don't see the way me take push here come my breast. When you want common mat for my breast, you don't see the way I take push my hair because I never get enough. I want me to still draw the thing where. You understand? You don't see the way it come they draw and just now. You see the time where it carry hand go down where they rub the thing. You see how I take by myself. Open the leg, you have to open it and you have to return it. When it come they mash me, you see as I they return like say I never know, I never born anything. Me when now 3 children we don't grow now don't. From that time till now the thing be like the same taste. In short, now this time me even they talk say when the thing don't they mash on they sweet the more. So I don't want to hear that kind of they cut me. I know they just says. If they cut you, you know they enjoy. And I be saying now you know they do away. Put yourself in. Find a way where they ginger you. Our women only just know. Only pekus na be where they sweet. They know all this body where God creates. So sugar dey, honey dey. If man touch am. If man touch your head just now, you will know the kind sweet way they here you will forget. If man touch your head just now, the way it go take make you will know say man. You understand? So not put all your concentration on only your veranda. Divide them, room divider. Divide the attention to every part of your body. Prepare your body before you can start pounding the pounded yam. Don't just enter the pounded yam without cooking the yam first. You not go too smooth like that. You understand? So my people, they circumcise me, but I enjoy them good, very good. Okay, try to learn, and more video like this will be coming on later. Thank you all so much, my lovely people. Please subscribe right now and finish the video I upload inside this video where me and my husband they have says please no narrator, so no screenshot time. You know, say I just put the video make una for enjoy on self, okay, and know how to use and join for your body. But all the same, if you know the main point, mouth, breast is not just no. Tell your husband to do. Go be like say they chop the bread, they press and they sometimes carry hand go they dig that place. Me no still to dig and but me massage all your body, join them and get that body to body tight, you know, for bedroom where you go see say you if you fail let your akpiko produce natural water where same message from breast to that place and here. You see say the thing it go start. The problem with una be say e no dey quick. Una they start boom, una just start to the pound and boom boom. No, generator not they bring light like that. If you want generator to bring light, you must first do it go make boom. You do it again go make boom. You do it again boom. When you do the other one go make boom boom boom. It don't start. Now that time you go enter fire. You understand? Thank you so much.